Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook post in Canva, full 2026 guide. It's super simple, and yeah, whether you're making something for your business or just for fun, this will help you get a clean design in just a few minutes. All right, let's jump in. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Then click on Create a Design, and in the search bar, type Facebook post. Canva will show the recommended size automatically. So yeah, just click the standard Facebook post option. Now, Canva gives you a bunch of templates to choose from. If you want something quick, just pick one that fits your style. Or you can start from a blank page if you want to customize everything yourself. Once your template opens, go ahead and edit the text. Just click on any text box and type whatever you want. Maybe a promo message, an event update, or just something fun. You can also change the font, the color, and the size from the toolbar at the top. If you want to add photos, click on the Uploads tab and drag your image in. Or you can use Canva's built-in photos and graphics. They've got a ton. Just drag anything straight onto the canvas. Now take a moment to line everything up. Use the alignment guides, adjust spacing, maybe tweak some colors so everything looks clean. Little touches go a long way. When you're happy with the design, click Share in the top right corner. You can download the post as a PNG, or if you prefer, Canva lets you publish directly to Facebook. Either way works great. And that's it. You just created a Facebook post in Canva using the 2026 tools and layout. It's simple, it's fast, and honestly kind of fun. If this tutorial helped you out, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss the next guide.